In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure Device Enrollment Manager. So how do you actually configure Device Enrollment Manager, and who is a Device Enrollment Manager? So to configure Device Enrollment Manager, what you need to do is to go to Devices, and here we have Device Onboarding. So click Enrollment, and here you can see we have the Device Enrollment Manager. But first of all, who is a Device Enrollment Manager? According to Microsoft, a Device Enrollment Manager is a non-administrator user who can enroll devices in Microsoft Intune. And also, a Device Enrollment Manager are useful to have when you need to enroll and prepare a lot of devices for your company. Let me give you an example. So people who are given the opportunity to become a Device Enrollment Manager can enroll and manage up to 1,000 devices, while a non-standard user or a user who is not a member of the Device Enrollment Manager can only enroll or manage 15 devices. So which means you as a standard user can only manage 15 devices. So in Device Enrollment Manager, click Add. And here you will need to add the user account. For example, you can see we have Simon will now be, you just click add, will now be the Device Enrollment Manager, which means that this user can enroll up to 15, up to 1,000 devices. 15 is for users who are the non-enrollment manager. So we can actually just click the three dots here and then delete this user if we don't want the user to become a member of the DEM. So this is how you add a user to become a member of the Device Enrollment Manager, or short for DEM.